People, Johnny here. You're watching Life in Motion. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you get to see a lot of upcoming videos, exciting videos. And today, I've been trying to do this video for a long time, but I'm not able to get time, so forgive me on that. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯒꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇꯀꯣ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯏꯊꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯖ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯣꯇꯤꯚꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯆ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯣꯇꯤꯚꯦꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ 2019 ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯀꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯦꯅꯔꯖꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯀꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦꯕ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 2019 ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 6ꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯔꯦ 6 today is the 6th January 2019 ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯖꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯂꯣꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯖꯤꯝ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯍꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ So if you want to start, just start now. You don't have to wait for tomorrow. I mean, if tomorrow is there, always there, you will never be able to start today, right? So that is called procrastination. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯌꯩꯊꯣꯛꯏꯒꯩ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯁꯨꯡꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯍꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ just get up from wherever you are, just start. ꯍꯧꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯣꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯖꯣꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯖꯤꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯅꯪ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯂꯣꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯊꯤꯡ just start from today. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯕꯥꯎꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯆꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯈꯪꯉ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕꯤꯔꯨꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ yeah you will be failed many times but don't take it as a failure, take it as a learning experience. So just start from today, and if you come across any obstacle, that will be your learning curve, so learn from it and improvise on that. So if you want to be that kind of a person that is already successful, like we have the richest guy, Warren Buffett, we have the Indian billionaire Adil Ambani. So if you want to be like them, focus on your goal, focus on your target. The focus on your goal and target haragasu ngasai aina time bound do ngasai matam do karam kanda achieve tawningi haibado aduma khangdragadi, if you don't have that, you will never achieve your goal. Say for example aina hai nangna sidagina Guwahati bok chatpa matamda bus ta chitke ai nangi bike ta chitke ai adagi khong chitke ai ko Guwahati hai bise nangi target ne Guwahati yo to destination je nangi target ne aduga nangna chatkador journey se na khong na chitke hai gadi numit kya ni de yogani bike ta chitke hai gadi numit kya ni de yogani car ta chitke hai gadi numit kya ni yogani flight ta chitke hai gadi numit kya ni de yogani yamna different ways to reach Guwahati, right? ado nang bus se tonga karai chalino khangna page chalagadi nang Guwahati de yobu yai Assam Nagaland yobu yai Delhi yobu yai karai de chalino khangde any bus will do ga ha do hoi English ta ado aduna aikoina target number thamada ga yam oe khangaba aduna target haibase si hana phajana khangdokpiro aina business ama taw matamda 5 years from now what will I become, what will I do in my business, right? So in order to achieve that aduna kasagi adugi dangi 5 years plan, 2 years plan, 1 year plan, monthly plan, immediate plan adu myam do nasagi immediate plan se sidane kwadi most important words nangna kwadi ki first step haitare ko successful towards successful journey. You don't, have to waste any more time. Adam hora adam ithokpa horo ngasidagi adum aigondagi adum GM pairgan aina first step se kaidogdagi hana khakto yamna complicate oiba wakhalana khalugino ai pisa leiti haiba aduka manipur yamna business ama to matamda yamna critical oiba kaino haitare ko idea haitare critical oiba pot ama haitare de kon manipur da business ama to matamda mi amana hana create to business se replicate tong na ba adum hone isagi oiba creative oiba idea do adu hana puthok na tabi adona mine replicate to matamda su yamna phajana to bira gadi pai replicate to ena chamana na to matamda amadu successful oira kanda replicate to gadi pai loina be struggle to mina ga replicate to mina ga plug fail mina ga ni aduna isagi oiba creative oiba idea ama hana puthok da karo aduga aina sigi motivational speech ama yamna pining is kai gino haiba matamda akhoi gi manipur se miga amaga si yamna sidana ba yamna demotivate tongna ba gi culture ama yam lai aduna sigi se demotivate tongdana ba gi damak tane aina haining se mina akhoi masen aki friend circle ai surrounding ai society ai laiba ai aingonda laiba surrounding se state negative or ba yamna negative minded or mi sing se adum avoid to wudi ya da na ignore adum khar to biyo moina haiba sing se adum tali tasalo adu targu tabiro no yam kan aigi haiba aigi adi mo khoi se aigi sum energy vampire ka have ni mista energy vampire haiba ding sagi aigi moi hek techno matam na wari sanaro ni khangde amani khangde hek techno kanda mai le to kom to askai de wari sanaro no jibi jiga haiba athumba askari magi asmatam mangal mi ha adum kangu se moi hek wari sanaro matam aingon da chakhopagi wakal lam to pok to sima mi ja avoid to bio adugo like minded or mi sing pon bio chakhopagi wakal to bio adu sima me am se yamna yamna su live yamna su luba haitare ko idea sing se si myam se loina bak afa boromda puthok pira kan yamna negative oiba wakal thadok piraga yamna positive oiba ngasi dagi ko positive oiba ideas lom da khongthang lom da changchen biraga kari to buya ga dagi have amaga khoi masen se motivate long naraga amaga thagat wahai sijinaraga encouragement amal khoi masen pinaraga ko chokhat pagi lamda jackson minase haining ado atop motivational speech ai yamna pijaning ado yam kana video blogs yam sangna namuraga di amusu boring juro pusia adona ai next ki video da mo gai continue to jar ka dong asi gidi mayam 2019 gi all the best any business some top of the successful review aduga any business ideas kumba discussion tongning bel later ga su ai konda dum contact to biro direct adum akhoi masen discussion toraga afo wai abi encourage tong naraga successful loy na ba sakot minase thank you